So it's me? You're saying it's me?
Everyone knows by watching the videos.
Happy Valentine's Day! Let's make something sweet. We are gonna make a treat from Magnolia Table, our favorite couple, Joanna and Chip Gaines, and it's gonna be chocolate, actually chocolate bundt cake with some strawberries. So I get excited about Valentine's Day, and I think chocolate and strawberries, so I think this will be perfect.
Well, the easy part is that we are using cake mix. Gina and I love recipes like this because who wants to mix all that stuff? And the yummy goodness in this box is really satisfying. So we're gonna need a whole box of devil's food. And this is why Joanna Gaines is so relatable, because she has recipes like this. To the cake mix, we're gonna add 4 large eggs, plain yogurt, vanilla instant pudding mix, vegetable oil, and warm water.
More chocolate equals more love. That's a lot of chocolate. Can I just say how much I love Chip and Joanna? I just think like Chip's so funny and she's just like rolling her eyes, but you know she loves him so much. So I feel like making a recipe from them is like just infusing it with more love. So normally if I wasn't making a video for y'all, I would have just used a regular cake pan, but I got a bundt can, or I got a bundt cake pan because I wanted to make it beautiful. All right, let's pour it in. I want to love eating the cake.
Make sure to grease and lightly flour your pan first, and then bake it in the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes.
Our cake came out beautiful, and this is the first time I've made a bundt cake, so I'm ecstatic that it looks like a bundt cake. It didn't break and it stayed whole. Oh, and Kat, mine took an hour to cook. I'm not sure why.
God. Mine took 45 minutes. It said about 35 to 40. So is your pan like a little, I don't know, maybe it's
yeah, mine
thicker?
I put the toothpick in at 45 minutes and it was wet.
Now the fun part is the drizzle. Okay, so first we're going to add just a little water, a tablespoon of oil. Didn't learn my lesson last time. 2 tablespoons, of corn syrup. I've never used corn syrup so much in my life since I met Gina.
Did I bring corn syrup into your life? All right, should we add our sugar powder?
Powdered sugar, what do you say?
I think I say powdered sugar.
So we're supposed to add just a little at a time, and we're going to stir it in. All right, and I think we're just supposed to drizzle this right over our cake.
Drizzle? Drizzle. Oh, were we supposed to take it off the heat when we started to put the powdered sugar in? I feel like maybe I cooked mine too long.
Oh, I don't know. I mean, I'm still cooking mine, so mine looks really good.
So it's me? You're saying it's me?
Hey, I am not saying anything. Everyone knows by watching the videos. Right off the heat, you're going to pour that glaze over the cake, making sure to spill over the sides for that beautiful effect.
I like the thickness of mine. It came out, I think, really good. It has some control, but really good drizzle ability.
Okay, so it says that we're supposed to like put some powdered sugar on it.
Yes.
But it's so glossy and I don't really want to. Are you going to add it?
Yes.
Yeah, but don't you think it's going to ruin, like it's going to take away that glossiness?
No.
Who's ready for some chocolate cake? This is like one of the prettiest cakes I've ever made. This glaze looks amazing. Oh my gosh, if you guys could just see this in real life, it is so glossy and perfect.
Oh, if you could smell it in real life, so good.
I mean, look, if I gave you this for Valentine's, wouldn't you like feel special? Look at this.
It is shiny. It's pretty. Yeah.
Ooh.
Ta-da! This is probably the most moist cake I've ever had. I don't know what more we can say. I mean, we love Chip and Joanna. Joanna can do design and she can cook, and they're so loving. I think they put all their love into this cake.
You know what I like about this cake? Is that it's not too sweet. Normally when you get cakes like this, it is like super sweet. This is not like super sweet.
It's a lot of good chocolate without feeling like it didn't taste artificial or overly sweet. Yeah, it's just good chocolate.
It took my oven 45 minutes. It took Gina an hour. So just make sure you watch it. I would do 5-minute increments after 35 or 40 just to make sure. But I think it's lovely and it's delicious and it's such a great Valentine's Day dessert. And even if you don't have a loved one, you just make it for yourself or
love
for
yourself.
Your girlfriends.
Yes. Or because it's Wednesday. Say Happy Wednesday. But the other good thing too, because it's in a Bundt cake, I feel like that makes it look nice, so you don't have to worry about decorating it with frosting or doing anything extra. I think just when it came out and with the glaze, like Kat didn't even powder sugar hers, so it looks beautiful right out of the pan with the glaze.
This was like a really easy recipe for us. I think that we're both in agreement that this is a 2 thumbs up for both of us.
Yes.
Easy to make, easy to follow, tastes amazing, and whoever you make it for, even if it's just for yourself, you're going to be super happy. So thanks for joining us this week. We hope that you guys try this, make it for someone, and please subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos, and we will see you guys again next week. Bye.